Hi everyone, today we are going to do a quick introductory demo of the newly launched platform called Delta Exchange Strategy Builder. So this platform allows you to create complex strategies on all the option pairs available in Delta.exchange and kind of gives you the analytical firepower you need to get an edge in the market. So let's quickly deep dive into it. So here in the top left, this is where you choose your underlying. You can just click on type dot and it will give you the list of all the pairs that are available from an option chain standpoint. So you have Ethereum, you have Bitcoin, you have a ton of altcoins that you can choose from. So let's go with Ethereum for now. So I'm going to choose Ethereum, and this is the Ethereum option chain that I'm seeing in here. On the top, you'll find the codes and the codes associated with the spot and a lot of other controls we're going to deep dive in our future sessions. But today we are going to just give you a high level overview of how to work with this platform. So when you start the platform, the first tab that you see is the option chain and a strategy builder in the bottom, right? So we're going to kind of do a deep dive into how to utilize this and create some complex strategies. So when you click on each of the series, so here all the series are kind of lined up, stacked together in terms of the days to expire, and you can just click on each one of them and look at the individual series. On the left is the call, the put. You know how an option chain works, but if you want to add more and more metrics to this particular platform, to this particular option chain, you right click and you have all the Greeks, the prices, the volumes, the in the money probability, the theoretical price according to Black-Scholes, a lot of analytics in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose Delta and probably a paper position here. So this is where basically I'm going to try and create a strategy. So how do you create a strategy? As it says, click on bid and ask to add paper positions, right? So this is the bid column, this is the ask column, or you could also click on each of these buy and sell buttons. So I'm just going to click on ask, and this tells me, okay, now enter how much size you want to take a position in. So I'm going to add 1,000 in this particular call, and it's going to be a buy for me. So the moment I buy in the paper strategy, you will see a strategy has been created by the name of paper, and there's the leg underneath it. I can go ahead and rename the strategy I want, but this is how quickly you can create a position. This is how the position has been created in here as I see it. And maybe, okay. Now I can do the same thing on the put side. I can just go ahead and take a position from here, and that's it. And now I can see my position on the buy side on the call and buy side on the put. So I've created kind of a strangle in here uh, very quickly. And now I'm going to look at it from a payoff chart standpoint. So when I click on the payoff chart, this kind of quickly gives me, these are the two legs, and I can see it also in this left hand panel that you can see. So I can open this left hand panel, and it also gives me those legs of the strategy I've created. If I want to go ahead and add more legs to this existing strategy, I can do that. I can just click on this add leg, and the option chain will show up from the left hand panel, and I can go ahead and probably say sell something. Okay, so let me go ahead and sell 1,000 quantities of this, and quickly my option chain now has configured accordingly. So on the top I can see now my profit, which is $42.7, my max profit, my max loss, my probability of profit, premium, my break even point, all the analytics firepower you need. You got the ability to do a what if analysis on your strategies. You can look at all the Greeks by default, of your strategy. These are the Greeks of not the underlying each of the legs, but of the complete strategy in general. So this is how you can quickly create positions and analyze and take advantage. Then of course we have the volatility surface curve. Now this volatility surface by definition gives you the volatility skew across the strike price. You have the ability to kind of add more and more series to it, so you can look at basically the long term and short term view. You can choose the series from the top, and this is basically how you can quickly take advantage from analytics standpoint on the IV side of things. So this was a very, very high level overview. There are many more features available in this that we are going to get to very shortly in our subsequent webinars and videos. Thank you so much for your time.